Hello.
Hi.
You must be Melinda.
Yes, you Daniel.
I am Daniel indeed.
Very
Lovely
nice
to meet you.
to meet
Going
you.
for the handshake.
Absolutely, keeping it formal.
Oh, it's important. I love your dress. It's
Thanks.
beautiful. When she first turned up, I thought she was very pretty. She seemed really nice. I was excited for the date, you know.
So, very nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too.
Yeah.
Have you come far?
No, I actually work just around the corner. So when you
perfect.
suggested this restaurant, I thought, well, great, that's really handy for me.
Oh, I come here all the time.
Do you?
It's great, yeah.
So are you nearby as well?
I actually live in Oxford.
Do you?
Little bit of a trek, but
Oh, I see.
I do it all the time.
It's quite a good line, though, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's a great
and
line.
you get the train from near here, don't you?
Yeah, just up the road.
Oh, cool.
Sh-
I've never
drinks?
eaten here before.
Oh,
Drinks?
sorry.
Oh, yes, now you're talking my
Yeah,
language.
my
Yes.
apologies. Yeah, should we just couple of glasses of white?
Yeah, I mean, if we're both having white, we might as well have a bottle.
It started off well. The food was delicious. She was great company, but she did order quite a few drinks.
Oh, yeah.
The pad thai is absolutely amazing.
Oh, yeah, but listen, a good pad thai, you can't beat it.
That's it, right?
They probably have some nice, like, sides and starters and things.
Yeah, the prawns
Yeah.
is delicious.
Yeah.
I haven't ventured beyond that.
Have you not?
No, I'm a very boring eater.
Should we see what they recommend?
Okay, I think that's a good idea.
Because
Ooh.
obviously the pad thai might be quite heavy, so they might have some nice kind of like spicy bits for on the
Oh,
side.
that sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers, nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too.
Yeah, whoop, down the hatch.
Oh, really gets the back of your throat, doesn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. Nice and warming. Yeah. It's pretty cold outside.
It is, isn't
Yeah,
it? After
yeah.
a long day's work, you just...
Oh, this wine's great.
Yeah.
It's going
Cheers.
down. Cheers. It's going down a bit easy.
Well, you finished your
I
first
know.
glass.
We might be getting another bottle quite soon.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. I've not even had a sip yet.
Yeah. So, thanks. If you do you want to leave the drinks menu on the table? Just because, yeah, we'll be coming back for some more.
Not really, no. By the end of the date, she'd brought out a hip flask, and we were both quite drunk, and it was pretty relentless, to be honest.
There's a great place. It's just like a block or so away, and it does a great happy hour.
A bar.
Yeah. So they do the most amazing cocktails, and I think we will probably get there just in time for happy hour to get our order in.
Oh, I
Quite
thought we could have some coffee and straighten up a bit.
No, that will sober us up. That's cheating.
Oh, what's that?
It's just look, it's my hip flask. I don't leave the house without it, and it's always got whiskey in it.
There's still shots on the table.
We can have a nip on the way next door, a nip of whiskey.
You know, I think I'm going to go home. I don't think so. No. She was lovely, but I don't think I can keep up with her.